Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use credit card for QR code payment, easy method. Open your bank or card app, tap pay or scan, and grant camera access so the app can read the QR code. Select your linked credit card as the payment method, confirm the amount shown on screen, then authorize the charge with PIN, biometric, or one-time code for a secure instant payment. Focus on the QR code in the app's scanner frame and keep your phone steady for a second or two while it reads the code. If scanning struggles, move a few inches closer or tilt slightly to remove glare, then try again. Always check that the merchant name and amount match the bill before confirming so you avoid accidental charges and enjoy smooth, reliable payments. Treat QR payments like any card purchase and enable alerts or daily limits for peace of mind. Use biometric confirmation or one-time passcodes when prompted to keep transactions secure and reduce fraud risk. If a merchant name looks unfamiliar, or if the amount changes unexpectedly, cancel the payment and report the scan source to your bank right away to protect your account and maintain.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.